Vision?
Wanda.
Is it really you?
And I was told you were powerful.
Oh, this is awkward. Your ex and your boyfriend together at the same party.
Vision. This is our home.
Then let's fight for it. Might we resolve this peacefully? Wanda Maximoff must be neutralized. You must be destroyed. No, then. Why are you doing this? My programming directive is to destroy the Vision. But I'm not the true Vision. I request elaboration. You are familiar with the thought experiment, the ship of Theseus, in the field of identity metaphysics. Over time, its planks of wood rot and are replaced with new planks. When no original plank remains, is it still the ship of Theseus? If those removed planks are restored and reassembled free of the rot, is that the ship of Theseus? Neither is the true ship. Both are the true ship. Well, then we are agreed. Perhaps the rot is the memories. I have not retained memories. But you do have the data. A weapon to be more easily controlled. As a carbon-based synthesoid, your memory storage is not so easily wiped. I am Vision.